Mumbai, a city of dreams, energy, and endless stories. We visited during the festive season of Navratri when the city was alive with lights, colors, and celebrations everywhere. The trip was extra special as we came here for my in law's baby Namkaran ceremony. And with just one free day to ourselves, we set out to explore the beauty, charm, and spirit of Mumbai in 24 hours. Hi guys, welcome to Nikita Next Quiz. आज हम आए हैं मुंबई में and it's raining cats and dog here, but we'll see what we all can explore. We went there during the monsoons and hence it was raining 24/7. But we had booked cab from Make My Trip for approx 4,000 Indian rupees, which is 100 kilometers in 10 hours. So we are going to Siddhivinayak first and then we'll go to Juhu and the other places. So first let's have the darshan. Sri Siddhivinayak Ganpati Mandir is one of the most loved temples in the city, dedicated to Lord Ganesha. Can you believe it's over 200 years old? The temple is famous for fulfilling devotees' wishes, which is why you will see people coming here from across the country. Yes, so we have been bombarded by many people to keep our shoes, so do not get into. सब पीछे ही पड़ गए थे, ये यहाँ जूते रखो, यहाँ जूते रखो. So do not listen to them, just come straight away. Oh, अच्छा, so here we have ladies and gents fine. चप्पल हम अंदर भी उतार सकते थे. कुछ 12 बजे बंद हो जाता है टेम्पल. It's 11:47. Let's see if we're able to reach there. From gate number 6, they have asked us to come. We completed our darshan after a wait of around 20 minutes, and since cameras weren't allowed inside, we don't have the footage to show. Afterwards, we bought some modaks and picked few souvenirs for family members from the temple premise. Our next stop was Juhu Beach, one of the most famous beaches in Mumbai. Stretching about 6 kilometers along the Arabian Sea, it's a perfect mix of relaxation and local life. You'll find people playing, enjoying water sports, and enjoying street food. The beach is also famous for its beautiful sunset views. However, we visited during the day and got to experience its lively vibe. Yes, so we have reached Juhu Beach, and finally after a tiring drive, there's not that much traffic as compared to Bangalore. But the traffic is moving. We got to try the place. It was far away from the Siddhivinayak temple, and the beach is pretty. We'll show you around.
Weather is amazing today.
Weather is amazing today. Yeah, it's just raining, but now it's not raining. Right next to the beach is Juhu Chowpatty, which is always buzzing with street food stalls. And trust me, the pav bhaji we had here was honestly the best I've ever tried anywhere in India. So we had a great time at Juhu Beach. We tried pav bhaji, and now I'm trying pan. And now we'll go to Marine Drive and we'll see Gate of India. From Juhu, we made our way towards Marine Drive, and the ride itself was so beautiful. On one side, Mumbai's tall skyscrapers lined the road, giving that true city of dreams vibe. We also passed through India's very first undersea tunnel in the Arabian Sea. Such a cool experience. It instantly reminded us of the tunnels we had seen during a trip to the south of France. The drive set the tone perfectly before we reached the iconic Marine Drive. Okay, so we have reached the Marine Drive and we are having a promenade here. We are casually strolling. The place is really great, a bit crowded, so we're looking for a spot where we can chill and relax. The place is really pretty. Let us show you around. Marine Drive is a 3.6 kilometer long C-shaped boulevard right by the Arabian Sea. Sitting here with the sea breeze and the sound of waves felt so peaceful, even in the middle of the busy city. Another thing that really caught our attention were these 4-legged blocks along the shoreline, called as tetrapods. There are over 6,000 of them, and they have been standing guard for years, protecting Marine Drive and the nearby buildings from erosions and strong sea waves. So we are really liking the place.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. Thanks to this iPhone that we are able to capture the dual camera.
Weather is very nice.
Weather is very nice. Even the taxi driver said that Mumbai is very rainy these days, and we got such a beautiful weather. You can see around how pretty it is.
good time. It's about 4.
Yeah, it's also.
So amazing night. No rain, nothing. Not very hot. Very cool breeze blowing.
Hi guys, I just want to say that this place is like Pondicherry and better than Cannes. The road, the pathways, everything is just so better here. It's very clean and it's very precious too.
After spending some time here, we headed towards our next stop, the Gateway of India.
Finally reached the Taj Hotel and there we have our Gateway of India.
Hi everyone. So we are at the landmark Gateway of India at Mumbai. This is actually erected to commemorate King George V coming to India. Apparently we did those things at that time.
That is engraved over there.
Yeah, and he was the first monarch to visit India, and apparently the last British troops also went through this gateway. So we'll try and go through that gate. Probably we'll land, I don't know where.
And that wraps up our one-day trip in Mumbai. From temple blessings to the sea breeze and iconic side, the city left us with so many lovely memories. Mumbai, you've truly captured our hearts. And thanks for coming along on this adventure with us. Until the next quest, keep exploring.